Welcome to Tech with Amar. In this video, we are going to take a look into the regular expression extract function. So you will be providing a string here and then a pattern and then an index. And it extracts the specified match group using a regex pattern or regular expression pattern from a string column. So here are some examples. I'm using a regular expression extract function here. So if I have this email, so user@mail.com, and then I would like to extract mail.com, that's a domain from it. So here I will be providing in the pattern and then I will say dot plus and in these parentheses, that means I would like to extract anything that is after this sign, and then index will be 1. So in this group it will include this part. If I will do 0 here, then what's going to happen is going to start from the sign. And then let's take another example. Here we have error 404 not found, and then we would like to see, let's say we would like to find the number of error. So in this case, what we can do, \\d plus, that's mean digit, and then that digit can be 2 or 3 or all that, and it's going to extract that for us. So we have provided 0 here. So it start from when the number will be found, it is going to start right from there. In this, the first one we provided 1 because we wanted to start right after that sign. Now here is my sample data. You can see right here we have user1@example.com, john.doe@mail.com, alice@company.net, and then we have some warning here for this log data. So we have info, warnings, and other information such as what time it failed, what date and time the issue happened, and then we have this phone number here for the maybe support number. Now these are the list of the columns. So we have email, log, and phone, and then here we are creating a data frame called df by using spark.create data frame and providing this sample data, and these are list of the columns. Now if I would like to extract domain from the email, that's very easy. So pattern will be and then you say dot plus, that means everything after this sign, and then it is going to capture everything after that. So here we have data frame df equal to data frame with column. So we are adding a new column called domain, and then here we have a regular expression underscore extract function and applying on this column email. And then what we would like to see, or the pattern then we have a dot plus and these are small parentheses, and then index is 1 because we don't want to include this sign. That's why we provided 1 here. Now once we execute this one, so we have df.select, we are selecting email, domain, and then show to see the data. So let me execute and show you the results. And here is my results. So we have email. You can see that we have email user and domain right there. And here is the domain we have extracted by using a regular expression underscore extract function right there. So if I will provide you 0 here, what's going to happen, as I was telling you, if I will provide 0, it's going to also include sign right next to it. So that's what it is. Now it's your choice if maybe in some scenarios you will change the index, but in this case we are only interested to get the domain without the sign. Now let's take a look on the next expression. So here we would like to extract a log level from the message. So there are different log levels. If you remember that we have error, info, and a warning. We would like to extract these different log levels. So here I'm saying df equal to df with column. So adding a new column called the log level, then applying a regular expression extract function on which column, on the log column, and then here I'm providing the pattern. So that means it capture contents inside the square parentheses. So you will be \\, square parentheses, dot and asterisk and question mark. So it means everything inside these parentheses. And then we will finally select the data. Say df.select, we are selecting a column log and then also a new column log level, and using the show function to see the data. Let's execute and take a look on our output. So here is our output. You can see this is log, and then this is the log level we have extracted. by using this expression. So in this case, everything, if you would like to get from the square parentheses, this is the expression you will put in the in your code right there. Now if we would like to extract data from the log, that is in a date format. So here I'm building a format for the date pattern. So I call this a variable pattern date, and then I'm putting around the small parentheses backslash 4 d4, that means 4 digits. Then should be having a hyphen in them, then 2 digits, and then again hyphen and 2 digits. So that's how my date looks like. If I go back here and show you date, you can see right there. So 4 characters or 4 digits, hyphen, 2 digits again, and then hyphen and 2 digits again. So that's the pattern of the date. Then I'm creating a new column here called the log date. So df equal to df dot with column, adding a new column, name that column as a log date, regular expression extract on column log, and then pattern is equal to this pattern. That's the pattern I'm looking for in this string. And then I said 1, that means once you find that expression, get me the results from starting point. So it is then a df select, I'm selecting the log, and then a log date. So if I execute this one, what's going to happen is going to extract the date from the log. So you can see right there, here is my log, and now we can see that log date right there. Okay, great. Now if we would like to extract the area code from the phone number, that's also possible. And here it is, you can see right there, I have this phone number, and then I would like to extract this area code. You can see that this is inside the small parentheses, this is the without this parentheses, and then this is the very first code, but has dots after that. So I would like to get this value from each of them. So here how I'm going to start, here df equal to df dot with column, adding a new column called area code, and then using this function regular expression on the column phone, and then I said that backslash, and then I'm looking for 3 digits. So and the index means 1, that means very first starting point. So here these are the first 3 digits right there. So I can see right there the very first 3, that's index group is going to be first 3 digits. Wherever I find it, that's what the group is. Now df select phone area code and show, that's going to show me the results. Let's execute and take a look now, and you can see that it has extracted the first 3 digits from this phone number. So this is how you will be using a regular expression underscore extract function to find the different patterns inside those column or string, and then extracting the data and showing for your needs. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.